Today I'm going to show you how to do a knit 3 together, also known as a k3tog. It is a double stitch right leaning decrease. So let me show you. You're going to knit as indicated in your pattern. Then it's going to say knit 3 stitches together. So we're going to work with 1, 2, 3 stitches off your needle. We're going to enter by the 3rd stitch. You're going to go through your 2nd as well as your 1st stitch on the needle, wrap around and drop them off the needle, and you'll see that it's a right leaning decrease. I will show you once more. You're going to knit as called for in your pattern. Then it's going to say knit 3 together. We're going to go in by the 3rd stitch, pick up the 3rd, 2nd and 1st stitch on the needle, knit it as you normally would, drop all 3 off the needle, and that is how you do a knit 3 together.